So we've been running around making deliveries for the firewood business to our typical customers. The brick oven, you know, everything that we cut pretty much is for them anyway is 16-inch in length, and it's split pretty small. So this lady called me and she's got a solo stove and she wants really small split stuff. So at first I wanted to tell her no, but then I remembered I have a whole bunch of the ends. So what we'll do when we're cutting our 16-inch pieces, we'll start, you know, we'll have a log and we'll measure everything out to be fairly precise. We'll cut everything 16 inches and we'll get to the end and it might be a little bit too short or whatever, and we can't make a full another 16 inches. So I kind of have saved those over the years, so they're already seasoned and ready to go. And a lot of them are already split in the bins over here. And the ones that aren't, I'm just gonna split up. And so we've been just throwing these in the truck here. So obviously really small firewood, and it's gonna take a long time to fill up the truck, but it's a way to get rid of these little ends that we can't really do anything. I've just been kind of burning them myself around here, around the farm, for like little bonfires and stuff, but this is a way to make a little bit of money off of them and get rid of a good chunk of them. So we're gonna clean up the bins a little bit and get rid of these little, basically it's just waste, and sell a truck full of waste, and she'll enjoy it. It's what she wants. She wants smaller stuff. It's all seasoned, it's still good wood. And so yeah, we're gonna get started. It's gonna take a little while.
You didn't mention that, Dad. You think we have enough?
Yeah, I think so. Between this and then the stuff that I can split, we'll have enough.
We just gotta fill up the truck with this.
Yeah.
Okay, this might not take as long as I thought it would. I'm not filling up a wheelbarrow again because last time I did that, the handle fell right on my hands. All the wood was on the floor, and I put so much wood inside of it that it was completely. You're recording.
Yeah, I tried to park as close as I could so that like we could stand in the bin and just kind of chuck it over there, you know.
15 yards. I'm probably not gonna throw it yet. Yeah, I have horrible depth perception.
We're getting there.
Oh my gosh, it actually is. Yeah, he did. He actually. You can't do that on a video. Starts. So now it's just super dark.
It's turned off cold, so we tried to take all of our leftover pumpkins, stuff we didn't sell or use, and use for seeds. We're gonna dump it on the compost heap and then smash it up, and hopefully the chickens can use that for their food there. Kind of a supplement to their food. so we got them all set up in the blackberry patch, and we're going to be checking on it, of course, daily to see kind of how fast they eat all this stuff down. As you can see, it's a real mess tangled in here. A lot of grass growing up in between, and you know, in the rows, and a lot of leaves and stuff that just need to be cleaned out. And so we're gonna hope that the sheep do the work of cleaning this out, and then I can come in here and kind of clean everything else the rest of the way out, get all the dead stuff out, and mulch it and stake it and all that. And blackberry brambles should be pretty put away if this goes to plan.